After the Currawong fires, there's been a lot of interest in community along the south coast for native grass in cultural landscaping. So where are these grasses? Why aren't they here? How can we use them to rehydrate soil after bushfire? South Coast Mob have come together today for a 2-day native grass course here at Uncle Bruce's farm at Wallagura. Participants are gathering for a knowledge exchange. It's hoped that people will come together just to talk about and yarn about their aspirations for cultural land management and to discuss opportunities for native grass as Aboriginal enterprise.
You know, everyone rolled in yesterday. We had a bit of a ceremony to get people feeling good in their spirits, their minds and their bodies about being here on the farm. Bit of a look down at our yam gardens, our nursery and what we're doing in there with those plants. We've been for a walk up on the hill and over here and talked a little bit about our grass story and what's going on up there, and had a bit of a look at some of our threshing operations, into some of the day-to-day stuff that happens on the farm, which is always great to share and to talk about.
We are trying to resurrect and showcase traditional agriculture and bring that back into Australia's palate for thousands and thousands of generations. This was our staple foods, and 250 years ago that story got stopped, and it's about time we started acknowledging the truth about our food and the benefits of what our traditional foods actually bring to this country and to our humanity. That's what Black Duck Foods is about.
When I saw Terry on the harvester that first day, it was really important day to see Yuin people working on the grass again. First time for a long time, couple hundred years probably. And that was the whole point of the farm, was that we would have our own people working on the farm, making their living off the old traditional foods.
It's important these days happen when mob can come together and share. Good things happen when you get mob out on country, talking about country and talking about healthy country. Healthy country, you know, leads to healthy people, and if we put our mob back rightfully on country, caring for country, whether it be native grass or cultural landscaping or cultural fire, good things happen.
I've learned heaps over these couple of days, just yarning to people, you know. And that's what this is all about, that sharing of knowledge, of understanding, you know. But it's also about creating a safe place where that can happen, and we do that well here at the farm.